Thank you.
So what intrigued you to pick up this series? Obviously, it is very intriguing concept, very thriller, something which is very unique, which we have not seen obviously on television on any other platform. So what was that thing that attracted you to pick up?
Usually what happens, I feel, is that such intense subjects are not dealt with correctly with respect to the psychology of the characters and the people who are writing it.
Agreed.
So when actually the first time I was called by the producer, Tanveer, that is, he told me that the one-liner thing, it's forensic research and serial killing, cat and mouse chase kind of a thing. I was not very sure I don't know what to think of it, to be honest with you, because usually this kind of stuff doesn't happen right in our country, especially with respect to the writing. And when I heard the first episode is when there was obviously no reason for me to not do it.
Okay, this series has a tagline, that dark side
Right.
thing. So what is the dark side of Varun Sobti that he wants to reveal?
Ah, I think I'm getting lazier. Yeah.
Okay, and you had a great ensemble cast on the set.
did, yeah.
So how was the entire bond? How was the entire shoot scenario? And
I'll be honest with you, it was pretty professional.
okay,
There was definitely a lot of laughter, but it was like an 80-day shoot and it was extremely intense. The great thing that happened was that everyone was really good at their job and in fact kind of to an extent professionally making it easier for everyone. So all pros. Majority, if I can say, pretty much all of them like-minded people. So it wasn't easy. That made it easy.
yes.
To the point.
Okay, now in personal life you've become a father as well.
I have.
So how is that experience? What is going on fatherhood? Is Varun also changing diapers and everything?
I don't know. I'm not an overly optimistic or an overly emotional person, but it's nothing but awesome. I'm having a great time.
Okay, any one moment with your daughter that you want to share with us? Anything one that just reminds
Honestly, I
you?
don't want to be that kind of parent who's imposing their child's things on everyone, but she smiles at me every time I go see her. First time in the day, when I wake up and I go see her, she smiles.
Okay, any plans of coming back on television, because fans are eagerly waiting to see you on television?
Plans is in the sense, I'd love to do something good that comes up on television. But I can't write.
Agreed.
So anytime anything good comes up, I'll definitely do it.
Okay, and lastly, any character that you are actually looking for on television to work? Anything which you have in your mind that you really want to work on, such type of character on television that will make you bring back on television?
I don't know. Something that's as in a relationship-based drama that's not very dramatic. I'd love to do something like that.
And it should be finite, or
Ideally, it would be great if it's fine, because I'll tell you why I'm saying it should be finite is because your writing is done.
yeah,
So the idea of changing your writing based on the ratings is never going to happen.
agreed.
So that's why I find it always.
Okay, and a final note, anything to your fans?
So I'm sure you guys go ahead and watch Astronaut Good Select. I'm sure it's going to be worth the money. It's in all probability probably the best thing I've done in my career so far.
Thank you so much, Varun, and good luck for the series. Thank you.